What's up YouTube? Today we are doing the kebab, but on the Somerset grill, aren't we? Yeah. So, kebab recipe, see the link in the description below. We've got 1.8 kilo of boneless, skinless thighs. I'm going to vacuum seal because I should have done it the day before, but having kids, you just don't have time to do things like that. So, just going to get the marinated chicken, or homogenised with the kebab sauce, marination if you will. Little tip, if you are vacuum sealing, if you just turn that inside out, it means that you won't get any sort of liquid or oils on that lid as you're pouring it in. And apparently that helps with sealing. This is the first time I've done it. I will let you know. So I'm just going to carry on getting this marinade rubbed in and vac packed and in the fridge. Right, so we've got a stack built with kindling, egg box, little jobby there. Let's try and light that. Bit of lint from the dryer. Let's see how we get on. Oh, I don't mess around. And we're off, guys. We are off. Hopefully the neighbours don't get too pissed off. That is how quickly that goes. You can see why tumble dry fires are a thing, can't you? Unbelievable. Alright, I'll be back in a bit, see how we're getting on. Looking good so far. Getting nice start of that fire. Hopefully the back box, the ember maker, catch fire as well, which I think it might. Much better fire this time, better kindling management, better placement of the logs, size of logs as well. These bottom logs are from B&M. Didn't say what type of wood they are, they just say they're kiln dried, but they've caught quite nicely and the fire is building, so we're on the move. Got the skewer, the rotisserie set up. Got the brackets on there, there's your one. So I've got the keto table out ready to thread the meat. So whilst we get the embers going, pour out the chicken thighs. They've been marinated all morning. Bring them up, not to temperature, but just get rid of the chill. Then we're going to thread them on the rotisserie attachment. Once the fire's got a little lower than where it is now, we're going to get the ball rolling. So it's worked a lot better this time. The embers are burning, crating at the way at the back there, they're on fire. Putting the ember maker plate there, I'm not sure if that helps. But it's, yeah, I'm going to get the skewer ready. That should be interesting. It's all chicken related. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you me putting it on the skewer, but I'll certainly show you once it's all set up. Well, we've threaded it on successfully, so I just need to get the meter probe in, and I think I'm about ready. I'm just going to move a few bits around and I'm going to crack on, I think. Meter probe in, let's put her on. And we're off. Let's do this. Oh, a bit straggly that, look. I don't think it's my finest work, but these are the bits of the edges where you get the char and all the flavour. So happy days. I'm gonna have to, I didn't really think about positioning too much, so I'm gonna have to move a few coals around. And as the fire dials down, I'll probably move it a bit closer to the ember bed. but we are off, that's the main thing. It's about half an hour in, something like that, and the smell is incredible. Love the asado grill. Really, really good. Just keep feeding the ember box there. So here we are. Look at that. That is what we're talking about. We've got the firebox, ember box, call it what you want box, burning away. Get some nice charred bits on the chicken there. And the smells are just incredible. Absolutely love this grill. Hope the weather holds off. Once again, we are in Britain. Look at all the juice on there. Can I zoom in? Yeah, look at that. Alright, pal. Look at that. Juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy. Wow. The smell of this is absolutely incredible. I'm going to make some garlic mayo. So I've just chopped the lid off a garlic bulb, wrapped it in foil with a bit of olive oil and salt. You can see where the chicken is shrunk. You're starting to see gaps between the meat. That's all good, it's all together, no problems there. We're looking at about an hour left to go, something like that. I've run out of fuel at the back, but it's still red hot, so I'm very confident I've got enough fuel to do the job. 2.5 hours in, we're at 66 degrees. I'm going to bring it inside and finish it in the oven because my guests are really hungry and I don't have the patience to finish on here, although I'm very confident it does. The smell's amazing. This is Get Wood Make Fire. I'm not entirely sure you can finish a video when you've got the Somerset grill outside, embers glowing, without some marshmallows. Beautiful. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. If you want to be notified of when my next video comes live, hit the bell. Peace out.